Welcome. Are you having trouble downloading photos from Gmail on your PC? Don't worry, you're not alone, and there are several simple steps you can take to resolve this issue. Let's get those photos downloading again. First, the quickest and often most effective solution is to simply refresh the Gmail webpage. Just look for the refresh icon, usually located at the top left of your browser, and give it a click. This can often clear up temporary glitches that might be preventing the download. If refreshing doesn't do the trick, try closing your entire browser and then reopening it. This ensures that you're starting with a clean slate and can resolve issues caused by accumulated cache or cookies. To clear the cache and cookies in Google Chrome, press Ctrl+Shift+Delete to open the Clear Browsing Data panel. Select All Time in the Time Range menu. Check the boxes for Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files, and click the Clear Data button at the bottom. Next, let's check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can definitely interfere with downloading attachments. Head to the Notifications area on your computer, usually found in the bottom right corner of your screen, and click on the network icon. Make sure you're connected to your usual network and that everything is working properly. If you see any issues, try disconnecting and reconnecting to your Wi-Fi. Sometimes the problem isn't with Gmail or your connection, but with your device itself. A simple restart can often resolve underlying issues. Press the Windows icon, usually located in the bottom left corner, click on the power icon, and then click Shutdown. Wait for about 30 seconds, and then turn your computer back on by pressing the power button. If you're still encountering problems, it's possible the issue lies with the sender or the email itself. Ask the person who sent you the photo to resend it. There might have been an issue during the initial sending process that prevented the photo from being properly attached or sent. If none of these steps work, try temporarily disabling your antivirus and firewall software. To disable Windows Defender Firewall, type Windows Defender in the Windows search box and hit Enter. Then click on Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off in the left pane, and select the radio button next to Turn off Windows Defender Firewall, not recommended for both private and public network settings. For a third-party antivirus, locate the antivirus program icon in the system tray, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. By following these steps, you should be able to get back to easily downloading photos from Gmail on your PC. Good luck, and thanks for watching.